Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and this is what I wish they taught me about econometrics and introduction. We've derived the formula of 100 e to the power beta 1 minus 1 for the interpretation of a log model with a dummy variable. So now we'll apply it to an example and see how to interpret the dummy variable in log models. Suppose that what we are estimating is the following model. We've got ln of wages equal to 2.3 plus 0.12 d, where d is a dummy variable, which is equal to 1 if you're employed and 0 if you're unemployed. Now, based on the approximate interpretation that we got from the previous video, this beta 1 in here of 0.12 means that the approximate percentage difference should be 100 times 0.12, meaning just 12%. So normally you would say that employed individuals earn approximately 12% more than employed people. Okay? Or individuals. Now, if we were to do the exact interpretation using the formula that we did, so that we can see, then we would have 100 times e to the power 0.12 minus 1, which will give you that it's the e to the power 0.12. You can use a calculator. You'll find it's approximately 1.1275. So the entire thing becomes in here 12.75%. Okay? So the exact percentage difference would be 12.75%, which you can see that it's not that far off from the number 12 that we got with the approximation. So the approximation we can see here is quite close, not exact. Now imagine that you had larger coefficients. Assume that your beta 1 actually was 0.5. And if we have to redo all of the computations all over again, then with the approximation way, then it means this is 50% of a difference between employed and unemployed. With the exact computation using the e to the power beta 1 formula, then we would actually have 100 times e to the power 0.5 minus 1, which should give you 64.87%. So as you can see now, this approximation here is quite far off, right? Which brings us back to a lesson that we have already learned in the log level model. If the coefficient is small, then the approximation is fine, but if it is larger, always use the exact formula. And notice once again, we are comparing two groups. So the interpretation is always going to be the percentage difference relative to the base group, the same way that we wrote the interpretation right here. So they earn approximately more than the employed people. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.